Is your software tool reporting the Xvidcore.dll is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. This DLL file is the primary library for the Xvid Video Codec. It enables Windows applications to encode and decode video using the MPEG-4 ASP standard, providing high-quality video compression with low computational overhead. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of Xvid Multimedia Software to restore the Xvidcore.dll library without risking system instability. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Xvid core. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. A brief word of caution. Not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of the Xvidcore.dll, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes the Xvid core documentation. To keep Xvid Multimedia Software running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.